Here's how olive leaf extract can help you every day. There's more to olives than just being a delicious topping. They are packed full of nutrients that are beneficial to the body and help you stay healthy. Instead of giving you the same information about olives that you already know, today we're looking at something that's much more unique. Olive leaf extract might not be your go-to snack every day, but it might be something that you need to introduce into your diet. Whether it's digestive problems or heart problems, olive leaf extract seems to have the solutions you need to stay healthy and enjoy life every day. If you want to improve your quality of life through the food you eat, it might very well be time to add olive leaf extract to your diet. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on olive leaf extract's great benefits you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content, such as today's video. We begin with improved heart health. One of the biggest benefits of olive leaf extract is improved heart health. With good fats and cholesterol, the extract takes out bad LDL cholesterol and removes fats from your arteries. The biggest benefit here is the help it offers with treating atherosclerosis. With olive leaf extract, you can put a hold on the narrowing of your arteries, decreasing the load on the heart and allowing you to recover easily. A healthy heart means a healthy body, and olive leaf extract helps you with both. Similarly, taking the load off the heart also helps in lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. Beyond that, lower blood pressure also reduces the chances of you suffering from issues such as heart attacks and strokes. With olive leaf extract as a part of your diet, you can essentially ensure that your circulatory system is not placed under undue stress. Furthermore, the chances of blood clots also decrease, keeping your blood flow healthy and consistent. Improves immunity. Improved immunity is a result of several different factors. The very first involves olive leaf extract's ability to act as an antioxidizer in the blood. This antioxidizing ability affects the free radicals inside your blood. These free radicals can cause several problems. They can attack other cells and damage tissues, leading to inflammation. With olive leaf extract, you can make sure that your tissues are protected from such problems. It's a great way to reduce the effects of both inflammation and allergies. Beyond just getting rid of free radicals, this extract also provides direct support to the immune system with its antimicrobial properties. There are some foods that help you decrease the chances of a microorganism settling inside your body and troubling its functions. Olive leaf extract is one of them. Improving your quality of life means giving your body the protection it deserves. With olive leaf extract, you can do just that. Helps deal with type 2 diabetes. But that wasn't all. In fact, olive leaf extract seems to help with all kinds of problems. The next one it can help you fight is type 2 diabetes. Increased blood glucose levels are dangerous, and a consistent problem can prove to be very tough to deal with. Besides medicine and insulin injection, you also need to strengthen your body to deal with the disease it's fighting. This extract is said to increase insulin secretion by cells of the pancreas, which can provide needed support for a compromised pancreas. And these are not unsubstantiated claims. Several animal studies have pointed out that olive leaf extract increased insulin levels, preventing problems such as hyperglycemia. Reduced blood sugar meant greater control over the diabetes and a stronger reaction from the body to deal with the problem. However, more studies need to be conducted with humans for it to be scientifically proven as a top food item for diabetes control. Do consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities suited to you, as with all the great Superfoods videos on our channel. Reduces cancer risk. If that wasn't enough to convince you, you will surely add olive leaf extract to your diet now. More than just diabetes and bacterial infection, the extract also reduces the risk of cancer. A study conducted on the effect of olive leaf extract on human cells showed that the extract had a strong effect on the growth of cancerous cells. Yes, this extract can actually help slow tumor growth, effectively helping in reducing the chances of cancer spreading through the body. The anti-cancer properties of olive leaf extract are down to its very strong antioxidant properties, which have been mentioned earlier. The extract helps your blood fight the cancerous cells and control their spread. More tests and studies have to be conducted to affirm this, but as of now, olive leaf extract seems to be a risk reducer. Keeps weight in control. Olive leaf extract's weight controlling abilities seem obvious at this point. It decreases fat deposits inside the body, lowers cholesterol levels, and also helps the body deal with type 2 diabetes. The result of all this? With olive leaf extract, you will not just feel healthy, you will also look healthy. Thank you for watching Superfoods. We hope you enjoyed this video on olive leaf extract's great benefits you need to know and found it informative enough to get some immediately. Do browse our channel for more information on similar superfoods. Leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and informative content.